So we will be making hamburger patty. You can call it like a Salisbury steak or in Japanese, hambago. Pero ang ating base, isa lang siya, beef. And usually, pag beef kasi patty, burger, kung high-end yung meat mo, as in sobrang ganda ng quality, anong gagawin mo? Salt and pepper ka lang, di ba? Sear ka na. Pero hindi naman lahat tayo nakaka-afford ng bonggang quality ng beef. Minsan sa grocery tayo, sa palengke tayo bumibili. And this is a trick that you can do to make it even more flavorful. At kaya nyo gawing masarap at malinamnam inyong burgers kahit hindi Wagyu or Angus ang inyong beef. So ito, meron tayo ditong beef cube. Oh, totoo na beef, pero cube lang siya. And we will add hot water. Tutunawin natin siya. So, this is what we will do to add more beefy flavor to our burger patties. We will dissolve our beef cube into hot water. And then, once ma-dissolve siya, we will add it to our breadcrumbs. O, breadcrumbs pa lang. Lasang beef na. O, mix and combine. Make sure it's combined very well. We will add 1 egg to our breadcrumbs. Mix natin yan. And we will let that rest for a while so that the breadcrumbs will absorb the moisture from the egg and yung ating beef stock. And in the meantime, yung gagawin ko dito, I will just mince my onions and my garlic to add to our beef. And we will mix. And to this, I will season with salt. Just a wooden spoon. Black pepper. And I will add a little bit of seasoning. You can use liquid seasoning or you can use soy sauce. No? So, kakamayin ko lang siya para better. With a bit of cracked black pepper. Tingnan mo. Bubuo ng konti. I will add my breadcrumbs mixture infused with the beef flavor. Ito na. Napakabilis lang ng ating ginawang patties. And all we have to do now is shape them and we'll be ready to cook. And napakaganda ng ating beef because it is properly chilled. Now remember, when you're working with ground meats, you have to chill it. Huwag nyong trabahuin pag hindi siya chilled. And we can shape them into burgers, no? So, pwede kang may mold o pwede ding by hand, no? I will just like divide this into several pieces. Masarap to, I promise you. So, this is half a kilo of ating beef. So, ito, damp hands. Basahin nyo lang yung kamay nyo ng konti. Then, you can shape it into hamburger patties. Now, I will prepare to cook. So, mag-clean up muna tayo ng konti. And we will prepare our hambago with a very nice mushroom teriyaki sauce. And we will cook our burgers, our hambago. So, ito siya, pwede din siya gumawa ka ng gravy. Marunong naman kayo gumawa ng gravy, di ba? So, ito, we will make a very Japanese-inspired na preparation ngayon. Because our patties, yan, hot. So, it sears. Yung iba, pang baon na. So, kung may kids kayo, they will love this recipe, I promise you. Yan. So, what you want to do here is you want to cook it evenly. So, 2 beses siya balik. So, ngayon, binaliktad ko. Then later, babaliktad naman natin ulit another time. But, for the second time, ginagawa ko lang siya, binabrown ko lang siya ng konti. And eto, para mas maging masarap at malinamnam yung ating hambago, I'm adding a little bit of butter. And we're using Arla butter to baste our beef. Yan, no? Buttery, mabango, beefy. So the flavor of the beef, the butter will give it a nice, beautiful color. And now, our burgers are ready. So, wag mo kainin agad, let it rest. So, it will cook very nicely and evenly inside. One more turn. Ganda, no? Yan. And, oh, naka-ready na yung aking kanin. Ito, parang sobrang busog mo na to kung dalawang patty yung nakain mo. And this is our butter, our brown butter. And we have here our mushrooms. Ito, I will just saute the mushrooms. Ayan. All the beef flavor is there. I will add the mushroom stock. And I have here my teriyaki. Ready-made teriyaki na itong gamit ko. Ayan. So, teriyaki sauce. Then, stir, stir, stir. And meron ako ditong cornstarch, slurry. And I will just add the slurry. No, slurry. Very nice. Let it simmer, let it thicken. Napakasarap nito. Ang sarap. Oh, wow. And look at that. Dun, dun, dun. Diba? Teriyaki burger and spring onions for our rice. And this is the perfect meal pangbaon sa mga kids, pangbaon sa office. Ang sarap, lalo pa maghalo na yung rice and our teriyaki sauce. Made even better because meron siyang butter, malinamnam. And of course, our beef, added flavor, more sauce. Ito talaga. Gusto ko yung rice ko may sauce kasi masarap. And let's cut into the burgers. The hambago. Oh, look at that. Oh, perfectly cooked. Tingnan natin. Perfect. Masarap. Yung sweet and salty na combination ng teriyaki sauce. So good. Then, additional pa sa umami because of the butter. So, if you still haven't subscribed to the Simple.ph YouTube channel, it's your time to subscribe right now. And today, we made a very delicious dish. Napaka-simple, versatile. So, yung ating base na burger, pwedeng Japanese style. You can make it American style. Gawin mong alaking. Lagyan mo siya ng mayonnaise or whatever. Serve it with buns as a burger. Very versatile. And eto na siya. Ang ating hambago teriyaki. Simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.